Networking used to include face-to-face interactions, shaking of hands, and large conventions. But since the start of the pandemic, networking has taken a new turn, and we've seen people forging valuable connections online. So if you want to learn how to network online, stick around, as we will walk you through 7 simple tips to follow. 1. Join virtual networking groups. There are many online communities that you can actively be involved in, some offering forums, seminars, and online events in your field. For example, you can search for online training sessions in your field and sign up to the event. You will be able to interact with other professionals and exchange contact details within the comments section. In addition, social media platforms are a great way to connect with local and global professionals. There are tons of job-specific groups where people connect, share their work, and even arrange offline meetings. Number 2. Leverage LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the main platform for networking, so it's important to know how to use it correctly. Don't start sending random friend requests without any context. You must engage, connect, and introduce yourself. More so, you can join LinkedIn events that will allow you to connect with industry specialists. It's a good way to reach like-minded professionals if you don't know where to start. LinkedIn should automatically recommend events based on your suggestions, so keep an eye on your notifications. 3. Offer something valuable. If you want to get someone's attention, you could start by promoting their business or services. If you're keen to give a referral, you're already forging the bridge to a good professional relationship. In turn, that person will be more likely to notice and recommend you. 4. Take advantage of social media. Each social media platform is different, so depending on your industry, you need to create a networking plan for each and leverage them properly. On Twitter, for example, you can join in on Twitter chats, whereas on Facebook, you can join groups and use Instagram as more of a portfolio of work and a more personal means of communication via comments or direct messages. 5. Engage with brand accounts. If you're keen on connecting with people from a particular brand or even want to get a job there, you can make yourself known by engaging with the brand account. You're already showing your support and placing yourself ahead of the crowd if you make your name known before a suitable role becomes available. 6. Keep your requests short. If you're sending a direct message or a friend request, be sure to keep your requests short. There's nothing worse than receiving an essay-long text from someone you don't know. The message should be friendly and short enough to let someone know what your intentions are. 7. Invite people to connect offline. Once you've established a good online relationship, consider connecting with your contacts offline. You could host a small meetup or even attend an in-person event with your new connection. If you have a project that you could work on with one of your contacts, invite them to freelance and work with you. Networking online has opened up the doors for people across the globe to meet and connect. If you're still not convinced, head over to CareerAddict.com to discover more ways to network online. CareerAddict offers professionally designed CV and resume templates for all career levels. Our 7-in-1 CV bundle includes a free job application checklist, which is specifically designed to help you secure an interview and bag a job offer. Get the bundle and transform your career. You can find it in the link in the description below. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.